Hello everyone, welcome back to my another live stream for today. So today is the 16th of July 2020 on Thursday. So this week I'm away from Tokyo and visiting the city called Nagasaki. So yeah, the live stream schedule is actually random. So sorry for those who have been waiting or expecting the live to be happening at the same time every day this week because of my trip. Because my trip, live stream until 17th July will be random, but on the 18th I will be coming back to Tokyo, and after that the live schedule will be fixed again from 6 p.m. So yeah, thank you for understanding. But I will record a video or do the live like this every day. I mean until tomorrow from the hotel, so that I can give you some analysis based on Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. So today it's a Thursday. So Thursdays I talk about Ichimoku basic lectures. So today I will talk about Nifty 50 once again. I did it two days ago. I recorded a video and uploaded it. And I get lots of comments from that video. So thank you for those who put the comments on the Nifty 50 analysis. I will do it again tomorrow. I mean today I will do it again. So please stay tuned for that. All right. So, and if you're more interested in deeper knowledge of Ichimoku, here is the community that I run. There is a KTS Ichimoku community. And in this community, you can get Ichimoku Basic Master Book as one of the perks to join this group. And also there is a Ichimoku Discord and weekly Ichimoku membership lives. And also, this is a monthly subscription. So when you see the join button on the YouTube, that's where you can join on this Ichimoku community. And you can get all these perks and more actually. So if you're interested, more details are actually provided on the link below. So you can click on that one and see the details. And if you're interested, please join on this one so that you can have a correct understanding of Ichimoku Kinko Hyo. And there is another service called KTS Global Trading School. And this is intensive 3-month hands-on teaching of my strategy. And currently July to September session is already started. So next one is going to be from October, November and December, 3 months. So if you are interested in my personal hands-on training within a small group, only up to 5 members, please also click on the link below and please send me an email so that I can put you on the waiting list. Okay, so before starting anything here, just a disclaimer, all this information, knowledge is based on my own experience. So when you take trades, please do at your own risk, because I'm not here to take responsibility over your trades, and you should be the one who is taking responsibility of your trades. Okay, so let's get started right now. So, alright, I can see lots of comments now. Thank you for joining, everyone. Although there was no pre-notification on this live. Thank you for joining. Thank you for catching the live. Alright, Biziko, thank you for joining. And Aditya, good to see you. Texas. And Aju. Danapol, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Alright, excited to hear your analysis on the Nifty. Sure. Alright, Andrew, thank you for joining as well. Good to see you. Alright, so okay, now here's a chart. So can you see the chart now? Is it okay? And my voice is okay now? Is the screen running smooth? If there's anything, please let me know by the chat. I will come back to the chat on this YouTube chat at times, so you can let me know. Okay, so let's talk about the weekly chart once again. So as per the weekly chart, this is something that I already talked about the time cycles 2 days ago, but let me do some recap here. So this was actually one of the Henkabi, a very important day, because this candlestick was, this is a weekly chart on Nifty, but this week the market marked the lowest low, and after that it's been bullish now. So after the corona, it spiked down, and now it's creating N wave, and this is bullish now in the short term. But on this whole week of weekly chart, one thing that's important is that the well, first of all, the current price is locating above the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, but below the Kumo still, right below the Kumo on this weekly chart, and Chikou span is still below these candles. So until Chikou span breaks the candle upwards, or until we're gonna see Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, gold cross first soon, and then Chikou span breakout can happen next, and then if candlestick breaks the Kumo upwards, this is going to be Sanyaku Koten signal, and we can expect the potential stable uptrend from there. But until then, it's not really breaking the Kumo yet. So in that sense, this is still in a range. I mean, it can go up and down from here. It might go down from here, or it might go up, or it might go horizontal. So we have to be careful. The market might going up and down in the near future until the Kumo breakout is my view. And that's my view in terms of the price location to these 5 lines. And when I look at the wave like this, you can count the number of candles. So like I said, this was the lowest low here, and from here it's been creating the N wave. So when it's going N wave, so N waves like this, when it going N wave like this, you see the next low here. Next low, this was the very low, and the next low was creating here. And potentially we want to capture the next low. If it goes upwards, the market might push back and pull back here, and it's going to be pushed back to keep going upwards this way. So when this happen is the question. When the pushback can happen is the question here, and this one we can forecast by using the time cycles. So let me take the measurement tool, and from all the way from down here until up to the next low, this was 8 bars, right? And 8 is one of the Kihon Suchi numbers. Well, actually 9 is one of the Kihon Suchi numbers. 8 is one candlestick before, but this is still available. I mean, 1 candles or 2 candles back and forward will be happening usually. So we can take this 8 bars as one of the Kihon Suchi numbers, very close to Kihon Suchi numbers, and this is a decent time cycle. So after that, after this low, most likely the market might mark the next low after 8 or 9 bars in the future, is something that we can expect. And in fact, when you go backwards, you see another Kihon Suchi numbers here too. So let me just go back from this lowest low to the next high, which is on this one. This one is the next high here. So if I just put my cursor here and goes backwards to the previous high, this was 9 bars, right? This is 9 bars. So from this lowest low to the previous high, this was 9 bars. So before that, we can know that this was I wave, because this was the highest high, and from the highest high to all the way to the lowest low, it was the I wave, and the market went straight all the way down here. And now this is 8 candles of retracement, and now it's going up. Now it's going up in this way, and as a result, currently this is creating N wave. with these time cycles. Okay. And also, when you even go backwards, you might find something interesting. So this is again this is a weekly chart, and when you take this highest high, and when I go backwards a little bit, 9 candle will be here, so there's no high or low. So in this case, 9 candles backwards is not really important. But when I further going backwards, what we can find is that the this is, oh yeah, like around here, there is a 17 or 20, 17 will be another Kihon Suchi number. So the next low was 17 bars here, or 18 bars was actually the created the recent low. And when I go even backwards more, then 33 is another Kihon Suchi number here. So 33 was here exactly. So let me put the vertical line, because I think this is quite significant to look at the market like this way. So 33 bars from here, from the lowest, from the highest high, going backwards, 33 week candlestick, 33 trading week backwards was actually the previous high. And on this one was actually 26 bars. So yeah, so we can see that this is another Kihon Suchi numbers here, exactly on time cycle. Yeah, between here and here, it's been 15 bars. So 17 is one of the Kihon Suchi numbers, so it's pretty close. And from this low to the next high, it's been 18 bars. So once again, this is very close to 17, one of the Kihon Suchi numbers. And as a whole, if you can measure it from this recent low, recent high to the next high, this is exactly 33 bars. You see? So this is very beautiful. It's been a very beautiful time cycles. And from here, going downwards was 8 bars, 8 trading weeks. From here to here, it was it was 9. It was 9 bars, exactly on Kihon Suchi number. And from the lowest low to the next low, once again, this is 8 bars. So 8, 9 is Kihon Suchi number, so 8 is very close, just one candle difference. And now it's going up, and so here we can forecast how far the market is gonna go, and when exactly the market will mark the next low. So from here, moving forward to 8 bars will be this week. So in 9 bars will be next week. So either this week or next week, I am expecting that the market might mark the next low. So it's going to be like this, and it's going to be another pushback, the pullback, and another after the pullback, there might be some pushback afterwards. So this week, next week might become the next low, is my view here, based on this time cycle theories. Does that make sense, everyone? Yeah, this is very important to see that. And when it happens, then this is going to be the continuous N wave, continuous bullish trend in short term, and sooner or later the Kijun Sen will start to move up, and it's going to be bullish in midterm also. All right. Okay. Yes, all clear. All right. Good to hear that. Good to hear that. All right. Andrew, thank you for joining. All right. Mohammed, thank you for joining. Good to see you. And Killer King, Martin, Abu Hijit, thank you for joining as well. All right. Hi, Ramachandran, and Madhu. Sorry, I can't pronounce your name. Madhu Sud, thank you for joining. All right. And Gorilla, good to see you. So it looks like there are lots of Indian traders right now. Yeah, from India. All right. Good to hear that. On weekly, is it possible? Oh, it's possible for the current week to be the top and reversal. I'm looking at the current bearish candle. Yeah, so it might become a next low, and the market might keep going upwards. So we can draw the trend line like this. In this case, we can draw the trend line like this, and this for next week. We can expect that the price come back to this yellow trend line like this way, and the price keep going upwards this way is the view. All right, could you do one for Nasdaq too next time? Sure, I can do that tomorrow. Let's do Nasdaq. All right. Yeah, there was a spike down Nasdaq, so that was quite surprising yesterday. But yeah, I will give my analysis on Nasdaq based on Ichimoku tomorrow for sure. On daily, yesterday was a strong rejection candle. It can come down to Kijun Sen. Sure. Kijun Sen or the trend line, on this yellow one. But so when it comes back down to yellow trend line or Kijun Sen, we have to expect that the price bounce off of the Kijun Sen or the yellow trend line and keeps going upwards this way. As per the time cycle, this is uptrending now. This is N wave, so we can expect that the next N wave might be created from there, like this way, and going upwards. All right. Yep, stay gold. Thank you. All right. Harish, thank you for joining. Steve, good to see you. Noel, thank you for joining. Good to see you. Yeah, thank you for joining everyone without any pre-notifications. I'm at the hotel right now, away from Tokyo. So the live stream has been, the schedule has been quite random, but hopefully you can see me live, or you can enjoy the archive. And when you have any questions or comments, you can leave a comment on the archive so that I will take a look at it later too. Okay, so this is my weekly analysis here. So once again, because this is 8 bars, 8 bar and 9 bars, Kihon Suchi numbers time cycle. So I am expecting that the future 8 or 9 bars from here, from this recent low, 8 bars will be this week, and 9 bars will be next week. So either today, tomorrow will be bearish in short term, in this very short term, in like a 1 hour, 4 hour chart. I'm expecting that this is going to be bearish or horizontal, and once the price reaches to either Kijun Sen or the yellow trend line, it might bounce off and goes upwards this way, is my view here, based on the weekly. Alright, so let's move on to the daily chart and see what we can find. So let me just delete all these lines first. Oh, there you go. I'm getting used to the operation of this trading view now. Yeah, trading view is actually, yeah, I don't really use this one, so yeah, I'm getting used to it now. Okay, so here is a daily chart, and in the daily chart, this is moving up, Kumo's up, Kijun Sen gradually up, Tenkan Sen up, and Chikou span is above the candles. So this is uptrending now. So, and you can see the small waves now, and this is N wave, consecutive N waves since March 24th. It's been a consecutive N wave, and it's been going up until now. So here we can look at the time cycles also. So one thing that is very significant is actually the lowest low here. So it's always nice to start the lowest low here or the highest high somewhere up here. In this case, let's start counting the time cycle from this one. Okay, and from here I take the ruler again, and I simply count the number of the candles here forward and see what we can find. Okay, so 26 is one of the Kihon Suchi numbers. So 26 was here. Alright, 26 we see a small pushback, and there was 26. And let's move forward a little bit more. 26 and 33. On the 34th bars, this was actually the recent low. I mean, the next low was 34. So I think this is more significant than 26 low here, because after this, it's been creating N wave, continuous N wave here. So I will take this one as one of the Henkabi here. From the lowest low here, it's been 34 bars, and the market marked the next low. So this is in a daily chart on Nifty, and 34 bars, it actually marked the recent low. So this is 33 is one of the Kihon Suchi numbers, and 1 or 2 candles difference will be acceptable. So 34 bars. And then let's move on to the next time cycle here. So again, starting from this recent low, lowest low, going forward, and the next number will be 42, right? 42. When I go forward, there's no 42, but 51 is another Kihon Suchi numbers, 51. So you see here, this is 52 bars, right? 52 bars will be another lowest low. I mean another swing low here. So 34 and 52. Okay, these are Kihon Suchi numbers and important Henkabis. Okay, so let me capture this one next. Let me count until this low here. Hold on, let me just put this arrow. Let me just keep it, and yeah, I will count the cycles. So starting from this lowest low here, and all the way up to this little pushback was 63 bars. Okay, in 65 is another Kihon Suchi number, and 63 is very close to 65. So 65 bars is another time cycle that we can find on the daily chart. And let's even go further. Okay, so now we're getting close to the current candle here. Okay, so currently looks like the market has been pushed back a little bit, and this is 74 bars. Okay, and today's candle is actually on 75th bar, 75th trading day from the lowest low. You see? So 76 is another Kihon Suchi number. So we can expect that there might be some retracement and there might be some pushback either today, tomorrow. We can expect the next pushback from here, like this. Okay, because we are getting very close to one of the Kihon Suchi numbers from this lowest low. 76 is another Kihon Suchi number. Okay. So if the market persists, if the market keeps going upwards this way, then this will be another important day. I mean important Henkabi here, the day of change. And so we see that it's been N wave. Okay, N wave, and another N wave, and another N wave, and another N wave, like this. Okay, all going through these Kihon Suchi numbers. So this is the essence of how you can capture the time cycle based on Kihon Suchi numbers. So here is another Henkabi. 76 is exactly tomorrow. So yeah, this is going to be potential Henkabi. So it might push back and keeps going upwards this way. So we'll see on that. I'm not saying that this is going to happen 100%. I mean, it can go backwards from here too. So we'll see. Okay. And for your information, the next number, do you know the next number for after 76? Anybody? Let me just wait for your answers a little bit. Okay. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Thank you for joining. All right. Noel Kayan, thank you for joining. Steve, good to see you. We have an informer at your hotel. Sure, we know when you wake up, so no need for any notification. Sure, yeah. I wake up and had some quick lunch and doing the live stream because it's looks like it's been raining outside right now, so I will stay at the hotel, and when it stops raining, I will just step out. Yep. Okay, good to see you. All right. Kitan and Debraj, thank you for joining from India. Okay. Bob, good to see you. All right, from America. All right, good to see you. 77. All right. 76 is actually one of the Kihon Suchi numbers. But what is? Oh yeah, so you just added one. Yeah, 76. Yeah, so it's 9, 17, 26, and 33, 42, and 51, 65, 76, and what's next is the question. Okay. On daily, Ichimoku Chikou span is facing resistance. If I look at it from an alternate perspective of a retracement to 129. Okay. Could be. So daily chart, yeah, it's been going up, and Chikou span is actually still above these candles. So whenever Chikou span touches on the candle, might be the next henkabi. I mean next time cycle on this market. Would like to Kihon Suchi numbers from you? Sure, I will tell you the answer. Is it possible for Nifty to test a 7500 level again? 7500 level, which is all the way down. I don't think so. This is uptrending now in daily, and it's retracing. And the other thing that you can look at is the Fibonacci retracement from this highest high to the lowest low. Currently, the price is at 61.8% level, slightly above the 61.8% level. So I expect that when the market marks the next N wave like this, then it continues to go up this way. It's my view. But if we start to retrace backwards, yeah, we have to be careful. It might break the Kumo downwards again. But right now, as far as I see the market, it's been bullish. So no need to think about the bearish move here. Okay, 129. All right. Good morning. All right, Jagdish, thank you for joining. 85. All right. 129, 172, 257. Okay. So we've got lots of numbers now. So yeah, let me tell the answer. The answer after 76 is 83. 83 is another Kihon Suchi number. So let me take 83 bars from the recent low. I mean the lowest low. From here, 83 bars forward will be here on this day, 27th of July. 27th of July is the 83rd bar. So yeah, this might be another henkabi here. So if that's the case, the price will bounce off maybe today, tomorrow, and sometime this week the market might bounce off and renew the recent high upwards to this way. And after breaking the high, the recent high, it pull back, and the next pullback can happen on 27th of July. And it continued to go up this way. After 83 is 97. So after 97 candles from here, there might be another pushback like this way. And the market keep going up this way. So that's the analysis as of now. And if it doesn't, right, if this doesn't happen, or if one of these doesn't happen, then we have to expect the potential retracement backwards. So that's something that we can know from this Ichimoku time cycles. So once again, the current price is above the Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen, and also Senko span AB. The current price is above all these lines, and also Chikou span is above the candles. So no doubt this is bullish. This is bullish in wave, so we don't have to think about bearish move, unless the price does not mark the next low and pushback. If it doesn't move like this, or if it goes sideways like this, then we have to expect the next potential pullback this way. But as long as we continue to see the pushback continuously, okay, so as long as the price goes up this way, along with this Kihon Suchi numbers, and above the candlestick above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, we can still look for the buy chance. We can expect the market will keep going up this way until it reaches to the recent high, which is at this level of horizontal line in this area, at 12,409 area. The price might go upwards until then. Okay, so this was the weekly chart time cycles and daily chart time cycles here. So you can put these vertical lines on your chart also and see how the market is going to move in the future. So today or tomorrow will be very important because the market might push back, and if it renews the recent high either today, tomorrow, or next Monday, then we can expect the next pushback will happen here, 27th of July. Okay, so I hope you get the idea of how you can take the time cycles along with this Ichimoku 5 lines to analyze the breadth of the market, so to speak. This is very effective, and this is very unique perspective that Ichimoku can give us. So yeah, whatever you look at, whatever charts you look at, whatever pairs or stock market indexes you look at, you can find these time cycles. So, and the best way to start counting is you capture the lowest low or the highest high, and you start to count the time cycles from there. So in this case, the highest high will be technically here. So you can start counting from this candle forward or backwards and see if you can find the time cycles in one of the Kihon Suchi numbers. In that way, you can capture the breadth of the market like this. So, as per request, tomorrow I will give you an analysis on Nasdaq. So, yeah, I hope I will see you tomorrow. So, once again, thank you for joining. I will be ending the live anytime soon because I will step out and I've got things to do today outside. So, yeah, I will see you tomorrow. And for those who are members, Ichimoku members, unfortunately, I cannot do the membership live. So I will upload a video instead to the members so that you can also enjoy the video. And I will see you live either tomorrow in public or a membership live will be happening on this Saturday. All right. Okay, so oh yeah, the list of the Kihon Suchi numbers is actually on my YouTube channel. If you can come to the part 1 to 5 Ichimoku Basic lectures, I think I posted the Kihon Suchi numbers there. So you can take a look at that one too. Okay. All right. So thank you for joining, everyone. Sorry, today's live was actually without the pre-notification, but thank you for joining. And I will see you tomorrow at around the same time, or it might be a little bit earlier tomorrow. So stay gold. And and I have a second channel. And I upload my some video clips, and I do some lives from the second channel also when I'm outside a hotel. So if you're interested, you can join that one too. All right, so everyone, thank you for joining today, and stay gold. See you tomorrow. Bye for now. Mata ne. Thank you.